Hey, today we're unboxing this, my new espresso scale, TUNI Digital Coffee Scale. It comes in black and white. I got the black one. Let's go ahead and open it. And this is my new espresso setup, DeLonghi ECP3220 and my DF54. Inside the box, of course, you get the scale, get a user manual, very detailed information. Read this cover to cover. And looks like a cord. Yep, a Type-C to USB-A cord. All right, we're not gonna need these. I assume it came charged a little bit, so we can go ahead and give it a try. All right, comes with this nifty gray color silicone. And here's the top cover. It says TUNI. And here's tear, here's power, and here's the main power. This is the charging port right here. That's where the Type-C goes. Keep this sealed if you're working in a wet environment. And underneath, basic stuff, where it's made, what's the limits. Let's put this box away. Let's go ahead and check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. It has very large and bright digits on it. Has a sound option, default to grams. All right, you can use this with espresso, pour over, AeroPress, whatever you need for your coffee. I'm gonna be mainly weighing my beans for my dosing tubes and the weight of my coffee and all that good stuff. It has several different modes, manual mode and auto timer mode. And basically manual mode allows you to do time counting and weighing, same as auto timer mode. Auto timer is very useful, especially for the pour over coffee. Espresso, I'm not sure it's so much useful, but you can give it a shot. And then there's a ratio mode. You know, you can weigh the powder and the water and all that good stuff. I don't do that. And then the number 4 is the water flow speed mode. Basically counts to how fast water coming in and all the good stuff. Very useful. Again, I'm not into that one as well. I'm mainly going to use it with the manual timer and grams to weigh my espresso beans as well as my coffee in the espresso cup. Let's put this away. All right, let's go ahead and start our machine. And let's grind some beans. I use this nifty Espresso Pro 16 grams 51 millimeter precision basket, and I use a bottomless, just a generic one, you know, off of Amazon. Comes with a nice walnut handle. Here's my MHW3 Bomber Ripple auto leveling and sound feedback temper. Of course, my Normcore gravity leveler, stainless steel. And of course, my puck screen, stainless steel. These are very critical. And of course, a dosing funnel never hurts. I recommend to get a thick one. That way you don't make a mess when you do WDT with this. All right, let's grab one of our beans. These are pre-measured. They're 14 grams each. And my DF54 set to 13. And this is zeroed with this aftermarket accessory. I zeroed it, so everything is fine and dandy here. So I'm gonna doing a slow grinding. I'm gonna pull a 28 to 30 grams espresso. All right, let's get this, put this on. And this dosing funnel allows me to use the dosing cup, tip it over straight into the portafilter, naked portafilter. Let's do some WDT. All right, coffee grinds. Here's the coffee grinds, and here's the auto leveling gravity tool from Normcore. Okay, that's it. Let's go ahead and tamp. Okay, here's our ripple base. And let's go ahead and put our puck screen on it. And let's go ahead and put our portafilter in the machine. I can feel the group head is already warm, locked in. Let's put our scale into action. Let's put our little cortado cup. That's what I want to use. All right, I'm going to turn on the scale. Comes on precisely. Let's put this rag away. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start it. It's about, there we go, I'm gonna stop it. It's gonna be a little over 30 grams. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check our coffee. There she is, you guys. Perfect consistency. Let me go ahead and taste it. I forgot to mention, this coffee is organic Mexican beans, medium dark roast. Very well. All right, I think this is a keeper. It's an excellent scale, very precise, works really well. I like it a lot, and I highly recommend it. I have this in the video description. If you're interested, you can order the scale directly. And let's go ahead and turn this off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with another coffee nerd. I'll see you on the next tail steak video. Have a delicious day.